Alright guys, time to watch the best anime ever, Chainsaw Man. Oh man, you guys have no idea how long I've been waiting for this to come out, and it's finally here, so let's get right to it. Oh my god, it's the Gun Devil. These guys must be those devil hunters I heard about. And that's gotta be Kobeni.
Hello there.
Oh shit, a devil! You better get out of there, Kobeni!
Pee Wee! Oh, he did! Hey, somebody call 911!
Oh shit, more devils? Kobeni, go get your car! Never mind, he dead. Oh my god, what was that? Oh! Nah! No way, no way, no way! Is that who I think it is? Is that really him? Denji! Yes! Now you feel like #1, shining bright for everyone. Oh my god, the entire Chainsaw Man squad pulled up. Power, Denji, Aki, Makima? And here's what everyone has been waiting for. Come on, bring it out, Denji. You know we all want to see it. Come on, bring it out. Bring out the big guns right now. Chainsaw Man, holy shit! I'm fuming right now, guys. This is the best new gen transformation right here. Best new gen anime right here. Best anime of all time. And Chainsaw Man, wow. And a chainsaw attack! Wow, it went through all those devils just like the manga! This is absolutely crazy, guys. I don't think any anime is topping this. Never in my entire life did I ever think I would get to see Chainsaw Man in the flesh. I'm gonna go on Mal right now and 10 out of 10, guys. 10 out of 10 anime adaptation. Mappa, you did great.
Thank you.
Hashtag Chainsaw Man takeover. We love to see it,
Hi, I'm Oscar.
We love to see it, Fujimoto. Can't wait to watch the rest of this season.